Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to set up a custom system prompt in Claude 3.5 or above. Okay guys, so you can move your cursor to the absolute bottom left corner of your Claude interface deck and left click on your profile initials. From the pop-up, go to Settings. After that, inside the main settings control pane, locate the field explicitly titled Instructions for Claude. It's right here in this field. And do not write generic stuff. Enforce hard rules on behavioral choices. You can explicitly tell Claude your core rule, your primary software frameworks, and your absolute formatting bans, such as prohibiting conversational preambles or blocking the use of dense tables, and then hit save. Just provide them in this text field and then save. And these rules will of course now inject cleanly into the background processing space of every individual window you open from here on out. Now, what if you need Claude to completely shift gears for a specific task, like writing email newsletters or debugging code without cluttering your global preferences? We just layer on localized task-specific prompts using projects. So look at your left-hand sidebar and click on projects right over here. You'll notice that I have some already here. Then click create project or new project. Give it a name and of course give it a description. Create project. And then once inside your new project ecosystem, shift your eyes over to the right sidebar and you can left click the action tool button labeled set custom instructions. Right here, click on this plus for your configuration in here. And this will unlock the clean task isolated instruction layer. You can type specific prompt here, something that you want within this project, and it will be saved globally under this particular projects and folder. And now you have your streamlined AI interactions. If this video helps guys, like and subscribe.